We'll guide you through how to remove shadows in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users want to control lighting and remove unwanted shadows in their renders, but do not know how. Beginners especially need simple guidance. It helps them improve scene quality, understand object settings, and produce cleaner, more professional-looking images for their projects. First, click Blender to open it on your computer. Then press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open a previous project file. A file window will appear, so select the previous project you want to work on and open it. After the project loads, press Z on your keyboard to change the view options. From the menu that appears, choose the rendered view so you can see how lighting and shadows look in real time. Next, select the object for which you want to remove the shadow by clicking on it in the workspace. Then go to the right side panel of the interface where the properties are displayed. Look for the Object Properties section, which is usually marked with an icon, and click on it to open the settings. Inside this section, look for the visibility options and extend it to see more controls. Within the visibility settings, find the option labeled Shadow and uncheck it to disable the shadow for that selected object. After adjusting the shadow settings, press Shift and A on your keyboard to open the Add menu. From there, add a camera to the project so you can prepare for rendering. Once the camera is added, press numpad 0 to switch to the camera view and adjust the angle until you find the position you want. Take your time to move the camera so the scene looks correct and well framed. Once you have found the desired angle, press F12 to render the image. The render will process and display the final output based on your settings. Make sure everything looks as expected in the rendered result. If needed, you can go back and adjust the camera or object settings again. Practicing these steps will help you understand how to control shadows and camera views in Blender. Over time, you will become more confident in editing scenes and producing better renders for your projects.